let's take a simple calculation, a 5 square metre bathroom to a 10 square metre bathroom. Is it going to be double the price? No, the scale of economics doesn't allow that. Obviously, a plumber to rough in a 5 square metre bathroom to a 10 square metre bathroom may have an extra shower head at most, so his bill's not going to be double. The tiler's bill, yes, because we have square metres to take in consideration. So it's not a simple scale of economics or a pro rata, and in other words, it's not double the price. And in turn, if I can add in, it works the other way. If you have a 5 square metre bathroom, let's put a number on it, 40K, and you have a 2.5 square metre bathroom, it's not going to cost you 20K for that 2.5 square metre bathroom, because unfortunately I have to still bring the plumber in, the electrician, the tiler, the waterproofer, the carpenter, etc. So it's a difficult question to answer. It's not straightforward.